inshallah, today Adad will explain the Surah Al-Fatiha for us, inshallah. Are you ready, inshallah?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Inshallah. Okay, let's get it started. Here it is, Surah Al-Fatiha.
Okay.
You can explain it to us.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It means in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful.
MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin means all praise and thanks due to Allah. Rabbil Alamin means Lord of the world. And then Ar-Rahmanir Rahim means the most gracious and the most merciful. Malik Yawmiddin means master of the day of judgment.
MashaAllah.
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in means you alone we worship and you alone we ask for help.
MashaAllah. Great.
And Siratal Mustaqim means
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim means guide us to a straight.
Yeah, correct. MashaAllah. Yeah.
Guide us to a straight path. And then
MashaAllah.
Siratal Ladina An'amta Alayhim Ghayril Maghdubi Alayhim Waladdallin. It means guide us to a path.
The path of those you have blessed.
Yeah, the path of those of you pleased with, and not a path that you are displeased with or who are led astray.
MashaAllah. Or those who are stray. MashaAllah. Very good. May Allah bless you. Thank you very much, Adat, for your explanation. Jazakallah khairan.